Located in Sulaimani, in the historic crossroads of civilizations, AUIS welcomes students with its open spaces, green landscapes, and a friendly community. It connects people from different backgrounds and cultures, offering a world-class education that challenges the curiosity of young minds. The university serves as a safe space that encourages freedom of thought and expression to nurture dialogues. At AUIS, you receive an American-style, broad-based education enriched by our distinguished faculty, state-of-the-art labs, and vibrant extracurricular activities. From running your own club to working on campus, you can embrace your creativity, utilize your skills, lead workshops and seminars, podcasts, and even become a published writer with AUIS Voice, the first independent English newspaper in Iraq. You can also contribute to solutions through AUIS's various forums and workshops, like the Culture and Art Forum, the AUIS Innovation Awards, and the Sulaimani Forum, the university's most significant annual event in Iraq, where global influential figures and leaders come together for discussions and intensive dialogues. You'll grow intellectually and socially, develop networking skills and connections at key events such as the AUIS Career Fair, where you meet top local international companies, Entrepreneurship Week, and University Day, where you'll showcase your innovative findings and research to a broader audience. Through AUIS's international partnerships, you can expand your perspectives and skills beyond Iraq with university trips or exchange opportunities to the US, Europe, Korea, Japan, and beyond. And that is how the whole world opens up for you after graduation. AUIS fosters inclusivity and makes education accessible for everyone by providing various scholarships for people from Iraq and beyond. Faculty and staff from 20 countries from our international community, along with students from all over Iraq and Kurdistan, as well as Iran, Turkey, and Afghanistan. At AUIS, you solve problems creatively, gain confidence, and discover your talents. You build friendships that will last a lifetime. You begin laying the foundation for your professional career and pursue your dreams.